This is Denver's latest threat for any sort of severe weather since 2010. I'm recording this on Wednesday morning, October the 15th. And it's not just Denver, it's across Colorado. We actually have a threat for tornadoes in southern Colorado today as well, which is, again, unusual for us to be talking about that on even September the 15th, let alone October the 15th. Reason being, we've just got a ton of moisture in the atmosphere today. And I mentioned this a few minutes ago as well, but when we've got dew points in the low to mid 50s, that's something you might expect in, say, the middle of summer in terms of the kind of fuel, the energy that you expect for some of those storms. Temperatures here in Denver today, I'm sitting outside in my suit. I'm hot right now, and it's 11:30 in the morning on October the 15th. Normally I need a jacket or something like that, but we're talking about highs near 80 degrees. That's plenty of fuel, plenty of instability, plenty of energy to spur on some of those storms. Main threat will be damaging straight line winds later on today. So those gusty winds, 60, maybe even some 70-mile-an-hour winds, that threat will be higher east and north of Denver, but that risk will include us here in town, some of these dying thunderstorms. And those storms will be between about 3 and 10 p.m. These storms look a little later in the evening, so maybe 6, 7, 8 o'clock if you're going to Red Rocks tonight. Definitely bring the rain jacket with you and be ready for some gusty winds out there as well. East of Denver, if you're joining me from, say, the airport on north and east, look out for even some large hail. Might need to take some of those hail precautions today. So again, that's something I talk about every day when we're talking about that risk for hail, for some of those damaging winds in the middle of October, but an unusual severe weather risk later on today.